Hey guys, today, let's learn how to go ahead and basically add a thumbnail on your YouTube shorts. So if you want to go and do this, please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Right, you guys. So what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the YouTube application and then post a new YouTube short. Now I'm gonna go and tap on this plus icon and then tap on my preferred YouTube video that I'd like to go ahead and post on here. And in this case now, which I'm gonna go and just choose this one right here. Now tap on next, again, write your description and stuff like that. But when you tap on this pencil icon right here, it actually go ahead and choose a specific part of the video to choose as your thumbnail. So if you have edited your video and added a small part of the ear to use as your thumbnail, you can actually go ahead and choose a specific part of that video to be chosen as your thumbnail just by dragging and dropping onto that section, tapping and done. And now it's your thumbnail. Just tap on upload once you're done. And it's that easy to go ahead and upload a thumbnail and add a thumbnail to your own YouTube shorts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.